Hello everyone and welcome. We are watching the fourth round of Manning Valley's Championship. This is Heat 2. I hope you all enjoy my racing video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race, and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. The final round of the championship, and it all comes down to this round. The points are very close. I didn't put up Heat 1 because I qualified first and finished first in Heat 1. Here's both Quali and Heat 1 results if you were interested. Heat 2 though, I was struggling with the kart. The rear just wanted to slide in every corner. I was feathering the throttle off of every exit of the corners so the rear wouldn't slide out and lose corner exit speed and time. I had a hunch on what it was. I had a feeling it was too much front end grip, and that's what was making the rear lose its grip. Sometimes too much grip is bad. This time around it was, and too much front grip means it negatively affects the rear. After this heat I changed my front end setup, but for now, enjoy the race. If you watch the whole race, you, my friends, are a legend. That other driver, Chase, just had much more pace than me in this heat. A very talented driver. And this is his debut race for Tag Light. Next year he's moving up from a different class up to this class. This race he borrowed his brother's chassis and engine, and he showed a lot of skill and pace. He is definitely a driver to look out for at the front. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.